Hello everyone, please we are coming to learn about how to use the command prompt and then notepad to run Python program. It's so simple. So first thing to do, come here, type notepad, click to open, and over here we type a simple Python code. For example, so I'm going to save this. Okay, we can give it any name. So you can say our first, or maybe Python. The .py at the end is very important. You come to the save as type, select this, you choose location, there we go. Okay, the next thing to do is to open the command prompt, so you can type cmd . So over here, I can type Python. Okay, what is here shows that I've already installed Python compiler or Python setup. So if you don't have this, if you type Python or Py and then you are given error, it means I have to download Python and then you install it. That's the only requirement. Now that I have it already, I come back, clear the screen, and then let me change the directory to desktop. This is because that's where I stored my file. Then let's have it here. Let me see, I can say Python. Then the name of my file is Python. Okay, python.py. Okay, so what you can see on the screen at the left is a Python program being run by the command prompt. So it's so easy. This is what I've typed over here. This program means that I want to print this one on the screen while it is true. So you can see it is true, and then it's printing, and then the printing is continuing. The reason why it's continuing is that this is a loop. A loop means that it will continue to print. So I just said while it is true, just print this. So maybe we can close this one for the meantime. Then over here, you can change the code a little bit. Maybe let's remove while true so that it will not be printing. Maybe want to tell a lady that I love you 100 times. So